In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a comment in Microsoft Word document. If you collaborate on documents, comments are a quick way to leave notes without changing the main text. Sometimes, though, you're ready to tidy things up. Here's how to cleanly remove a single comment, or clear them all, so your document is ready to share. Start by opening your Word document and heading to the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word groups all of its collaboration tools, including comments and track changes, so everything you need is in one place. On the right-hand side of your document, you should see the comment pane, often displayed as balloons connected to the relevant parts of your text. Take a moment to locate the specific comment you want to remove in that pane. Click the comment to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. With the comment selected, look up to the ribbon in the Review tab and find the Comments group. Click Delete. Word immediately removes the selected comment, while leaving your document content unchanged. If you didn't mean to delete it, remember, you can use Undo right away to bring it back. If you've finished reviewing and want to remove every comment at once, there's a faster option. Next to the Delete button, click the small drop-down arrow to open more choices, then choose Delete All Comments in Document. Word will sweep through the entire file and clear every comment in one action, which is especially helpful before final delivery. Just be sure you're done with the feedback, because deleting all comments is intended to be final unless you undo immediately. When you're satisfied with the cleanup, save the document. Saving locks in the changes so that comments don't reappear the next time you open the file or share it. If you'd like to keep a record of the feedback, consider saving a separate copy before deleting so you have both a clean version and a reference version. One quick note. Comments are different from tracked changes, which mark edits in the text. Deleting a comment does not accept or reject changes. If you still see red lines or underlines, those are tracked edits and are handled separately on the same Review tab. And that's it. You've learned how to delete a single comment, remove all comments, and save your updated document with confidence.